Hello, craving something sweet, rich, and a little bit healthier? Let's make banana brownie bites. So let's get started. Firstly, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, take 4 ripe bananas. To it, add half cup of oil, half cup of milk, add 1/4 cup of any nut butter. I have used almond butter here. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1/4 cup of any sweetener of your choice. I have used brown sugar. Now mix this well with a whisk or a hand blender. In a sifter, add 1 cup of flour. You can use any flour of your choice. I have used ragi flour, that is finger millet flour. To it, add half cup of cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Sift this all into the banana mixture. Now mix all the wet ingredients and the dry ingredients. Here you can add any chopped nuts or toss in our kids' favorite chocolate chips. I did not have a mini muffin pan, so I used my mini tart shells with a silicone liner on it. Scoop out the batter into the molds. I could make 12 mini brownie bites and 4 regular size muffins. I have topped the muffins with some chopped cashews. Bake this for 20 to 25 minutes or until a toothpick comes out with just a few moist crumbs. Let them cool and then pop them out and enjoy. These banana brownie bites are soft, chocolatey and perfect snack or a dessert.